Hey guys, it's Jackie and I am new on this channel. I am doing kind of like a collab channel with, if you know, London Lamano. She's a great person and she's like really my really close friend. So today I'm going to be showing you all of my slimes. The slime's attacked. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you all my slimes, and I'm also going to be talking a little bit about me in the beginning right now. So, first of all, my name is Jackie, as you can see on my sweatshirt, and also what's it called? I have a channel called Monkey Farm 23. You guys should check it out. It's a pretty interesting channel, you know, but I like it. It's fun. So anyway, yeah, and so let's get started in checking out all my slimes. So I'm just going to show you my first slime. This slime, oh, look at the top, I love this. Okay, so this is like a purple slime. Nice, I really like it. Oh, it's sticky right now. Ugh, goes in now. It'll get nice and warmed up eventually. That's how all my slimes are. They get sticky at first, but then they warm up. It's not really that like stretchy. It's like pretty stretchy, but it's really good poking slime. And it's also good at stretching it and folding it over, you know, and hold on, sorry. Like that, yeah. It's good at that. So I'm just gonna put that back in the container. This is my favorite slime right now. I call it my, it reminds me of like a wedding because, hold on. It's not coming out right now. Oh, there it is, okay. Because it's white slime with, black sparkles in it, and it's super soft and really nice. And all of my slimes are fluffy slimes. So yeah. Hold on, is it gonna crack? Yeah, there it goes, it's cracking. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put that away. This slime kind of reminds me either of dirt or like bronze metals. This one's like super stretchy. It's super soft and it's really fun. Oops. Okay, yeah, it broke. Yep, so you have to go more slower because you can't go fast. Okay. You can't really go fast with it. That's nice, that's okay. It's really nice and squishy. Sorry about that. And it's like really good at poking it. So yeah, put that back in there. Oops, I'll make sure it's closer. This is my favorite slime that I ever made, but it's from my best friend. So yeah, I'm not keeping it. Kind of sad, but oh well. It's really good. Like, super stretchy, and it's really nice. It has pink and blue sparkles in it. You may not really be able to see. You can see the pink sparkles really good. Like, it's just so good. I really like it. I just like it. So I'm gonna put that away. Okay. I don't know how this slime is. It looks kind of like liquidy right now. So I made it with like glitter glue, but it isn't like Elmer's glitter glue. It's like another kind of different type of glitter glue. So it's like really sticky and not good, but I learned my lesson. This was the first time I ever used that sort of glitter. It's really stretchy and nice though. See? It's really nice. It's really soft too, but it's really slippery. Like you can just see my hands like slip. It's okay. That's the next one. And I have 2 more slimes to go. These were slimes that I made for my friends, so I'm not keeping them, but I'm planning on making some more slimes in the future because I have a big gallon of glue right there. So this one, is for my friend. So yeah. And then the last slime I have here is, hold on. This purple slime with blue and blue glitter in it. Oops, I got some black sparkles in it. Now there's black sparkles on it. Oh wow. So yeah. This one's really nice. It's really good at poking too. So yeah, this is all my slimes. So I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Check out my main channel, Monkey123, and check out London's channel. And I'll see you later. Bye!